Deckorators glass balusters are the perfect choice to open up your deck view and add some modern flair to your outdoor space. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to install Deckorators Frontier glass balusters between your top and bottom rails. For this example, we will be installing 4-inch glass balusters in our railing section and spacing them 3 3/4 inch apart. What's in the box? Deckorators glass balusters.
What's needed?
Deckorators connectors. Provided square bit screws. Tape measure. Drill. Safety glasses. Pencil. Optional. Deckorators rail connectors. 2-inch support block. Place the top and bottom rails side by side in their correct installation positions. Use your tape measure and pencil to locate and mark the center of the rails. Installing an even number of balusters means there will be an open space in the middle of the rail section. Center this open space exactly by dividing your spacing in half and measuring that distance out from the center mark of each side. For this example, we will measure out 1 7/8 inches on each side of the mark. This will ensure that the space is central on the rail. From these points, measure outward every 7 3/4 inches and mark. Starting at one end of the rail, center a connector on a mark and use 2 included installation screws to attach it to the rail. Drill screws in until the connector is tight to the wood. Repeat through both rails until all connectors are secure and in place. Place the bottom rail between the posts with a 3-inch support block or scrap piece of material underneath for bracing. Secure and install the bottom rail level between the posts. Using a Deckorators rail connector at this step will give your railing extra strength and security compared to simply using standard deck screws. Once installed, insert a glass baluster into each established connector, ensuring each baluster is firmly driven into the bottom of the connector. Carefully place the top rail over each baluster, feeding each piece into its coordinating connector. Once all balusters are fully embedded into their connectors, install and secure the top rail in place between the posts using a Deckorators rail connector or standard hardware. Add major style points by installing glass balusters on your deck today. If you have any questions on finding the baluster count and spacing for your project, check out our video here or call 1-888-824-5316 and one of our experts will be ready to help.
Hi, my name's Diane and I'm with the customer experience team here at DecksDirect. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video. If you enjoyed it, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. DecksDirect, helping people build better decks.